Do you know that onion can improve your health and well-being? Highlighting the latest scientific research and practical advice for incorporating this vegetable into your daily diet. Ready to discover all the benefits of onions on your body? Let's go. In this video, we are going to talk about a common yet incredibly powerful ingredient: onion. Originating from Central Asia, onion is now grown worldwide and is often used as a base for many tasty dishes. However, what many people don't realize is that onion is also a superfood that can have beneficial effects on your body. The benefits of onion. First of all, onion is a very nutritious food, rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin B6. Additionally, onion is an excellent source of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your body's cells against damage from free radicals. Onion also contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These sulfur compounds can help reduce inflammation in your body, which may help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Moreover, regular consumption of onion can help lower cholesterol levels in your body and maintain healthy blood pressure. The fiber in onion can also help regulate your digestion and maintain a healthy weight. How to incorporate onion into your diet. Now that you know all the benefits of onion, you may be wondering how you can incorporate more of it into your diet. Fortunately, there are many creative ways to cook with onion. Here are some ideas. Chopped onion to your favorite dishes such as soups, stews, and stir-fries. Use onion to flavor your homemade sauces and dressings. Add onion to your salads for extra flavor and nutrients. Try caramelizing onions for natural sweetness in your dishes. There you have it. You now know the many benefits of onion for your body and how you can incorporate more of it into your diet. Remember to eat a variety of healthy foods to maximize the health benefits. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.